Here's how to remove the quick view button in WooCommerce. I'll show you the easiest way that actually works without messing up your site. You need to find the exact class name of that button first. Go to any product page where you can see it, then hover over the quick view button so it pops up. Right-click it and select Inspect. If for some reason you did not manage to select the quick view button element, then hover on it and hit Ctrl-Shift and C. Then look for the class name in all that highlighted code. It could be quick-view or quick view, or like in this case, it is OWP quick-view. Copy that exact name because if you get even one letter wrong, this whole thing won't work. Now go to your WordPress Customizer and find additional CSS. Type a period, then paste that class name you copied. Add display, none, and semicolon right after it. That's your complete CSS rule. Save it and the button vanishes from all your product pages instantly. This method works with any theme or plugin because you're just hiding the visual element. The code still loads behind the scenes, but customers can't see or click the button anymore.